mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. At 11:20 p.m. or 10:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles north of Salem to 11 miles southwest of Carefree Town, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salem, English, Carefree Town, Mount Pleasant, Baringo, Leopold, Campbellsburg, Hardinsburg, Livonia, and Smedley. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana,